Hello Cheney family. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to use Google Forms for formative assessments in your classroom. In both the brick and mortar and remote learning environments, formative assessments are the tool that we use to help us know if what we're teaching is actually being learned by students. I believe that Google Forms is something that's quick to learn and easy to implement in your classroom right away. So if you follow along with me, I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching. The first thing I'm going to do is have any of my Google apps open. I'm going to start in Google Drive, and I'm going to come over here and click on the waffle on the top right part of the screen. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to open up Google Forms. Here right away you can see that I can start a blank form, I can make an exit ticket, a blank quiz, a worksheet, etc. There's already templates for those. I'm going to show you a blank quiz just to get us started. Once I open that up, the first thing I need to do is title the quiz in the top left of the screen. I'm going to match the title over here for the students, sample quiz. And right below that, I can start typing in questions. So I'm going to click on that first box and I'm going to notice a few things right away. On the right hand side, there's a drop-down menu. And here you can choose different types of questions. You can see there's short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, etc. The first question I'm going to show you is multiple choice. I'm going to ask the question, did you find the Google Forms video helpful? And you can start making answer choices by clicking next to one of the circles. Right where it says option 1, I'm going to change it to yes. Right below it says you can add an option, and I'm going to change it to no, and you can see that it's already predicting that I wanted to put a no there. So I really didn't have to do anything except click add option. And I'm going to click one more time down below and add a maybe. Once I have my answer choices filled in for the multiple choice question, I'm going to want to make an answer key because this is a quiz. So I click on the blue little answer key. And here's where, as a teacher, I'm going to select the correct answer. Of course, the answer to this question is yes. And then I'm going to come over here to the right, and I'm going to add a number of points. So for example, this one's going to be worth 5 points. Once I do that, I'm going to click done. There's my first question. It's already finished. If you see on the right here, there's other options that you can do, such as add a video, add an image. But at the very top here, I'm going to click add a question. The second question, I'm going to make a short answer. And I'm going to ask, what is one program or platform that you need more help with? And here, since it's a short answer question, I'm still going to click on the answer key. And if I wanted to, I could type in what the correct answer is, or just as a teacher, I could read your answers and evaluate it and not put anything there. But I still want to add a point value to the question. So I'm going to make it 5 points again, and I'm going to click done. And for this video, I'm going to add one more question. So I'm going to come over here to the right and click plus. And I'm going to ask a checkboxes question, which is like a multiple answer response or multiple type question that we see on like the AIR test where it says select all that apply. So I'm going to ask you, where can I find more help and training with technology? The first option, I'm going to say the YCSD technology training documents in Google Drive. For my second option, I'm going to say YCSD tech in the Yo on 9/19/20. And the third option, I'm going to say ask Mr. Yema. So for the answer key, since all of those are the correct response, I'm going to tell the program that all 3 are the correct response. I'm going to add 5 points, and I'm going to click Done. This is just a basic setup on how a quiz might look. There's many more options, and once you try one out, you're going to be able to see that there's a lot of other stuff that you can do. But for now, this is all that I wanted to show you. So I have my sample quiz ready, and to get it out to my students, I'm going to go to my Google Classroom. So I already have the staff Google Classroom open, and right on the stream, I'm going to click Share Something with Your Class. And down here on the attachment, I'm going to click Add, click Google Drive, and if I have Recent highlighted, you're going to see the sample quiz that we just made together is the first option. So I'm going to click it once, I'm going to click Insert, and there is the sample quiz. All that I have at the top here on these drop-down menus, I can add all students or specific students, and I just want to make a short description, sample quiz. Once I do that, I click Post, and it gets sent out to all the students. That's all that I have to show you on this today. I hope you enjoyed. And please reach out if you have any questions about this particular topic or anything else.